what actually happened today in court?
So today was our first appearance at provincial court. The purpose of that is really administrative. The Crown prosecutor has now been assigned to the file, Doug Taylor and Sonia Bertrand. And so defending, of course, is Balfour Durr and myself, Lisa Burgess-Durr. The first phase of the process is really to get disclosure. That's not a well-known term amongst laypersons, but disclosure is what the Crown must give the defense. What the Crown must give the defense is the police investigation file. So really that is what disclosure is the police investigation, whether it's audio, video, photographs, forensics, all of that collection of data over what period of time they've done that will be given to the Crown and then given to defense. Then defense will be combing over that, analyzing it for legal issues and defenses.
You saw your client, can you just explain how he's doing and what's next?
Sure. Robert, of course, is housed at the Remand Centre in Calgary. That's a 23-hour lockup. And so he's learning the ins and outs of how one maneuvers within the Remand Centre. Being in segregation, given the nature of his crimes, he's kept away from other people and given very limited privileges.
Can you talk about what's next, and will you seek bail for him?
That bail is something that a lawyer will turn their mind to at some point in time after all the disclosure has been seen. So it's too early at this time to discuss that.
Is there anything else that you can say about what's next steps, timeline?
Oh. So the court appearance today was adjourned to next Tuesday after the long weekend. At that point in time, we're hopeful that we will have at least a helicopter view of what the disclosure is. The Crown prosecutor will be providing us an overview of what the file and the evidence is. That will be of great assistance to us. What we're looking at is timeframes. We're looking out at our schedules to determine when we can have a preliminary inquiry, which could possibly be a month long. So we need to coordinate those schedules. So we wish to do that sooner rather than later, and we can start to think about that as soon as we have some disclosure. But we're confident that the disclosure probably will be completed within the next 6 to 5 weeks, but that won't stop us from thinking about bail, or it won't stop us from thinking about setting a preliminary inquiry.
Thank you. When will you know, sorry, can you just explain when you'll know about bail and how that works, like in Queen's Bench and how that process works? A lot of people think it's really a fast process.
Oh, okay. Bail, when you're dealing with the nature of these charges, happens at a very different level of court. It happens at the higher level of court, which means a matter of us booking time for that bail hearing. It's a formality that's followed. It's not overly complicated to book it. It's just a matter of finding the time and making sure that we have the quality of readiness to go ahead to do a bail hearing for a crime of such magnitude where the onus is on the defense for release.
Lisa, is there any word about his family? Is still abroad? Are they coming to Canada at all, or is he getting support still from them?
He has support from his family. We're in communication with them, and he's well supported.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.